Blessed, blessed, blessed. Yeah, man. Yardie Mixup is something I say, star seed. Blessed. Alright, people. So, this one now we are going to talk about today is the matrix. And do not get yourself caught up in the matrix. And also, what is the matrix? Alright? So, here what's going on here now. The matrix is how society have the system set where the news, the media, and all of these things keep your focus, make you get scared when you see certain things on the news, make you start be afraid. So you get trapped in the matrix. And that's how your mind there. And your focus and your thoughts. You see that? So you see how you make them build fear upon you, and because of your thoughts, now your whole body, emotion and everything become that fear. So that's like you getting yourself caught in the matrix. You understand what I say? So you know after just take yourself away from how you're seeing certain point of view and reset back yourself now into the way how you want to view things, where you're happy, where you have joy, and you don't have no interruption there. So you have to rethink and reset your whole body, mind, feelings, and all of these things. The news and TV shows and certain programs that you watch, you need to cut down off of these things. Give them a break and start to pick up more habit and meditation, where you're in a world where you don't need these material stuff, where you travel, where you're flying. That's where you have all your powers. You can experience life on a higher level, and cleanse yourself and ask forgiveness. And the more closer you go into that world, is the more you get enlightenment and the more you take away yourself out the matrix. You understand what I say? And that's how it works. So you just have to stay focused, keep your head up high, and keep it moving and positive, and remove the blockages that society brainwash us with. So we need to take back our brain, our own mentality to positiveness and upliftment. So yeah, man. So blessed again. This is Yardie Mixup. Bless.